Good afternoon and welcome to class session number 19 on Tuesday, April the 7th. Good to see you all. I hope you're doing well. Hope you can tune in and make sure that you listen to the end of this video, because at the very end there will be one word that you'll need to text me back so that I will know that you were here and have listened to the video today. We're going to continue our talking about half steps and whole steps, but first let's warm up with a chromatic scale with both hands. Starting on C, 3, 4, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, now down, B, B flat, A flat, G, G flat, F, E flat, D flat, C. Now turn off the video and try that until you get the speed up a little faster. Okay, good. I hope you're warmed up and ready to go now. Today we're going to go right to page 110, Sleeping Beauty Waltz, and I'm going to highlight a few of the more difficult spots, and I'm going to play them so that you can play along with me. And so we'll change and look at the difficult spots in 110, Sleeping Beauty Waltz. So the first one starts in measure 9, 3 beats to the measure, right hand, 4th finger F. 1, 2, 3. Now E flat, reach to C, back to E flat. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 1, rest, 1. Now go back and try that one 2 or 3 times to make sure all the fingerings are correct. You're stretching your thumb and then moving them around. Now let's go to the left hand, starting in measure 16 on the second beat. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here comes our natural, A, B flat, B natural, right hand takes over. And then, right there in measure 21, the right hand does take over, starting on middle C. 1, 2, 3, C, 2, 3. Start thinking eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Rest, soft. Now I'm going to go back and play all of Sleeping Beauty, and I want you to play along with me. One hand at a time. First the left, then the right, and then together. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Left hand melody, soft right hand. Here comes our natural, right here, 3. Eighth notes coming up, 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now run it back and practice playing along with me. Now we're going to go quickly onto page 112 and talk about half steps and whole steps and how they work together. So I'm going to play some of these for you. If you look at the orange box at the top of 112. See, a half step is like in our chromatic scale. From C to C sharp is a half step. From C sharp to D is a half step. So from C to D is a whole step. 2 half steps make a whole step. From E to F is a half step. E to F sharp is a whole step. And so when we do our pentascale, we have a whole step, a whole step, a half step, and a whole step. And that works in every different key. So if you look on page 115, you'll see a D pentascale, which has an F sharp in it, and then an A pentascale, which has a C sharp. These are the same combination of half steps and whole steps that we did in C. So look at page 115 and practice playing those pentascales up and down, making sure that you get the sharp so that we get our right combination of pieces. Now, on page 116, we're looking at 3 more intervals. An interval of a fourth, like from C to F. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or an interval of a fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or even an interval of a sixth, which would be from C, and you have to stretch your thumb to A. So there's a real clever marketing lesson here for those of you all in the business school. If I play, what TV network do you think of? Think of NBC and Fallon. Clever marketing right there. That's an interval of a sixth. This is Danny Boy, page 119, starting on the second beat. 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3. Tie in the left hand. 4, rest. 2, long phrase. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another tie in the left hand. 3, 4, rest. Retard. Top note, ties over. Okay. So take a look at that. That's what I'd like for you to take a look at for Thursday. Now, let me tell you about Thursday. Thursday will be our conference call at your regular class time, either 12:30 or 2 o'clock. And I'm going to be playing some for you. That's my hope anyway, so that you can listen and do some homework that way. So it will be very imperative that you be here at class time on Thursday, so that you can get the code word to say, so I'll know that you were here. There'll be just a brief class outline to outline. So today, your code word is interval. So go to your email, email me, and write in the subject line the word interval. That's all you have to do. And I know you will have watched the video. If you're able to record some of those things and want my help for you, then send those as well. Okay? I'll see you Thursday, class time, live.